Before we understand careers in finance, let's get a perspective. This is Ramlal. He sells packed snacks to the entire village and earns his livelihood. There are many others like Ramlal in the village who make and sell different snacks in and around the village. A little ahead, a few friends have come together to start a cafeteria. There are cooks, chefs, delivery boys, and other workers who work in their cafe. This is not the only eatery in town. There are many others doing similar businesses. Further ahead, in the city, there is a large company. They have factories where they make snacks and packed soft drinks. This company employs over 100 workers in their factories, and their products are sold all over India. They have several employees to manage their marketing, sales, distribution network, transportation, logistics, accounting, administrative functions, and so on. There are many other companies that own factories that produce such packed snacks and cold drinks and sell across India. All these people you just met, which is Ramlal, the partners running the cafe, large companies selling snacks and cold drinks, form a part of what is called the food and beverages industry, or the F&B industry. Even individual employees at the restaurant, workers at the factories, employees of these companies are all said to be a part of the F&B industry. Just like there is a F&B industry, there are many other industries like construction, pharmaceutical, automobile, education, and so on. Just like there are individual proprietors, partnership firms, large companies, their employees, workers, all within the F&B industry, we have individual proprietors, partnership firms, large companies, and their employees, all within each of these industries too. All these industries form a part of the economy. Now, everyone in this economy is into different kinds of businesses, and so there are large number of transactions and huge dealings in money. Therefore, there is a need to provide services related to money. People who provide these money-related services or financial services are said to be a part of a separate industry called banking, financial services and insurance, or the BFSI industry. Let's see what these services are in a nutshell. All businesses need money to perform their business. Why? They need money to buy machines, equipment, pay salaries, and so on. Not only the large businesses, but individuals working in different industries will also need money to temporarily meet some of their personal needs, like buying a house, a car, to pay for higher education, and so on. To help them all, there are people in the BFSI industry who provide loans. Sometimes businesses may need more than just loans. There are startups who will need large funds at the initial and later stages of their business. To help them, there are venture capital and private equity funds. In return, these funds need a share in the business, or in other words, be a part owner of the business that they are funding. People with high net worth may also look for other investing alternatives, and there are wealth management advisors who help with such consultation services. We all need to protect ourselves from various risks like threat to our life, individual health, threat to our business from loss, fire, theft, etc. And so, there are insurance companies that secure these risks for you. Businesses have a need to perform routine functions like accounting, taxation, audit, and legal activities. These services could be provided by employees within the respective industry, or some specialized professionals within the BFSI industry could also be providing such specialized services. If you wish to pursue a career in BFSI, it would be worth your while to ponder over who exactly provide these different services that we just spoke about, and what kind of careers could you be expecting to be pursuing with them. Wish you all the best.